Hello everyone! So today we're gonna make a muffin size sushi bake. It's gonna be with salmon because salmon seems to be the favorite, of course, and easy to eat, and it tastes really good. So let's start making that salmon. Cut them in cubes, square shape. This is about 2 pounds of salmon. Soy sauce. All the seasoning. Honey. Sesame oil. Scallion. So now mix. A little bit of olive oil. Now set it in the fridge for 30 minutes while you prepare the seaweed and rice. So just put the rice here, right? And then put it into your muffin bowl. And now add the salmon in there. Maybe put about 4 to 5 cubes. Okay, in each. Right? And do it for all of them. If you want, you can just do all the seaweed first and then put the salmon in. I just want to show you the first one. So that way you can be doing much faster. So you can put it in here. This is ready to go into bake. Alright, so we're going to bake it at 400. Let's preheat. Bake for 415 minutes. Alright, so now while we're waiting for the baked salmon to be cooked in the oven, then we're gonna cut up the toppings. Alright, so you can put cucumber if you want. I would prefer to use English cucumber and avocado. Alright, so I found out a hack that we can actually do to open. Usually when I open in the middle, I gotta cut the seed out. But right now, you just cut it right in the center and then you turn. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. And it was amazing. So I cut this in half, right? Cut this in half around. And guess what? Boop! That's it. This just came out of the oven. Spicy mayo sauce. So the next topping we're gonna add is some cucumber, but you'll see it. I'll put it right here, you can see it. And then some avocado, right? And then a little bit of, this is one of those wasabi flavor kind of seaweed, all right? And lastly, if you want to put, you can put some sesame seeds if you want. That's just up to you. Okay, I'll put it. And then you can put a little bit of salt for extra taste. And then soy sauce. There you go. Okay, this is the final product. Look. Wow. This is so good.